Hello viewers, ChatGPT got some awesome updates in April 2025. From shopping help to smarter memory and even research help. It is better than ever. Let's talk a quick tour of what's new. ChatGPT can help you shop. The first one, need help finding the best phone, shoes or coffee machine? Just ask for what you need and it shows you the top products with pictures, prices and reviews. You can even click Ask About This to learn more about any product and no ads, just helpful advice. The second one, Deep Research Tool. Try the new Deep Research Tool. Just ask ChatGPT to research a topic. It will read websites, articles, even PDFs and give you a clear summary with sources. It is great for school projects, work, or when you are just curious. The third one is ChatGPT now remember things. You tell it, like your name, your favorite writing style, or goals you are working on. This help it give better, more personal answer later on. Don't worry, you control the memory. You can turn it off, deleting things or changing them anytime. The fourth one is Meet GPT-4o. The brain behind ChatGPT just got smarter. The new GPT-4o model replaced GPT-4. It is quicker, more accurate, and even better at things like coding, writing, and math. The fifth one, ChatGPT now on WhatsApp. Guess what? You can now chat with ChatGPT on WhatsApp. Just add the number. That is it for the April 2025 update. ChatGPT is now more helpful, personal, and powerful than ever. Which feature do you want to try first? Let us know in the comment. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.